Crack-a-lackin'. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Get up! I get up, get on up. I get up, get on up. I grab your tools and go. I get on up, go clean some windows. Get on up, hey! I get up, get on up. I get up, get on up. I go grab your tools. Get on up. I go clean some windows. I get on up. What's crack-a-lackin'? Que pasa aquí? Why is this fool so loud in the morning? Yeah, baby, yeah, because it's going to be a good day. You know why? Because I said so. No, but I've been missing my Wagtail angle adapter, right? So I've been using certain tools and just had to clean sideways. If you don't know what sideways is, vertical instead of horizontal, I had to clean unconventional ways, as you know how I do it anyway. But I actually got a package, an unboxing for y'all this morning. And you know what? God is good, man. It's right on time. I know what's in that box before I open it, but it seems to be a little bit big for what I was told I was going to be sent from WCR. They have done it again. They have came through again, man. These guys are awesome, man. You guys got to order from these guys because they take care of people, man. They take care of them. So I think this diner that I'm about to go to, I do everything in the tables, which brings me to my upload today. I have a series of uploads that I'm going to flood y'all with. You can feel free to sift and pick through whatever you don't want to watch. Y'all do it anyway, but I'm going to upload like a madman. I'm going to flood Facebook and YouTube with the most amount of videos in a month. I'm going to do it. Not because I'm trying to prove a point or, accomplish anything. I just made that many videos because I had that much to say. You can't really say it all in one video. No one's going to sit there and watch a half hour, an hour long video, right? So I got a bunch of videos. A lot of it's important. Some of it is going to help a lot of people, but hey. All right, I'll see you when we get there. They in there. All right, let's open this box up. I got to hurry up and get in. All right, let's quick open this box up. Hold on, let me put the phone down. Oh. Look what here. It's the angle adapter. And this is going to be perfect on this job. Let me just double check. I ain't doing what I did last time. All right, he gave me a big old box for this one item, so that's cool. It's pretty long anyway, so oh man, man, you guys are great, man. Thanks. All right, I gotta get in there. Wagtail back at you. I must say, for those who are working like me, well, you know what? You don't even have to have a Wagtail, as a matter of fact, now that I'm thinking about it. You don't even have to have a Wagtail angle adapter. I mean, a Wagtail tool to have a Wagtail angle adapter. This will work with any tool, the way I'm about to explain it to you. Now, with a traditional pole, you could just put the tip on and pull it off. But you have to walk around with different tips with this, right? So Here's another option to save yourself time. Actually, you could use this angle adapter indefinitely as your tip. So what happens is when you're over top of windows and you're going down low, you would have it this way. Now, obviously, you can't do a straight pull. You would have to literally stand so far away from the window in order to get this window right where I'm standing, right? So I made a Legend series and I explained all this to y'all. There's more than one way to skin a cat. All right? Do you see what I just did? I made a gooseneck, right? A ledger. But I did it the opposite. You see now? I can do a straight pull, right? And I don't have to worry about running back to the car to get my other tip because I needed this angle adapter on the inside. The way I work. There's no need to go to the car to change your tip because you need to get certain windows. You see how that works out just fine? All right. I'm doing this with one hand. The first time I've ever done it with, man, it is so easy. My pole's too long. It is so easy to hold this with one hand. It's like holding my Wagtail Flex pole. For those who don't know what a Wagtail Flex pole, stay tuned and tune back in on my channel. I'll be uploading that video as well and explaining to you how I use that Flex pole inside diners. But this is Masters at Wagtail. That's today's little quick tip. Reverse your elbow towards you and you won't have any issues. In my Legend series, I'm gonna just quickly touch on the subject. If you turn it this way, you can swivel off to the side. If something's in your way over here, you would turn it this way and swivel off to the side. It may seem a little awkward swiveling, but it's not really. If you know your way around a wagtail, around a pole, and around angle adapters. But this is Masters at Wagtail quick tip. Bam!